Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to understand first question we have in this today contest problem, that is the maximum median sum of subsequences of size 3, right? So the question is saying that you are given an integer array that is called nums, as you can see in this example, with a length divisible by 3. You want to make the array empty in steps. In each step you can select any 3 elements from the array, and you have to compute their median, right? And we have to remove the selected elements from the array, and the median of a odd length sequence is defined as the middle element of the sequence. When it is sorted in non-decreasing order, we have to return the possible sum of the median computed from the selected elements, right? So let's try to understand what the question is saying. That the very first, you have given array that we have here, and it is saying its length is divisible by 3. So what is the current length we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So total length is 6. Okay, so it is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, it is divisible, right? It is divisible by 3. We are getting the it's divisible, and it is getting what? 2, right? Divisible. So at each step it is saying we have to pick 3 numbers, right? What are the 3 numbers can be there, right? So it is saying at each step you have to take the 3 elements. How many elements you have to take from the array? Any 3 elements you can pick, right? And then these you have to sort these 3 numbers, right? Once you will sort this number, right, very first pick any 3 numbers, right? Then you have to do what? Sort these numbers that we have taken. Then what you need to do? We have to take the middle element, right? The median is what? Middle element, right? So take the middle element, median, and add it to your sum, right? Then add it to sum. This is a step. Then it is saying that what? 5/5. Okay. Remove it was there, no? Okay, median of the odd sequence, define median of the sequence and sort in non-decreasing order, right? Okay, yeah. So now you have to do what? We have to return the maximum possible sum of median computed from these numbers, right? Means we have to remove the selected element from the array, right? Now you have to remove the remove the all three numbers from the array, right? We have to remove. After that you have to repeat this job, right? You have to repeat until, because we are removing at all the times, right? So one time there will one time will come when the array will become empty. Can we say that? So this task we have to repeat. And so what is our goal? Our goal is to maximum possible sum of the medians, because we are getting all the times we are getting the median, means middle element we are getting, and we are adding to the sum, right? I hope you understand, right? So let's say give me 1 second. Let's say we have given this elements. So if we'll sort this, what will it will become? It will become what? First sorted array will become 1 1, then we can say 2 2, and then 3 3. Can we say that if we'll represent in the array, the sorted array will look like this: 1 1 2 2 3 3, right? This is your sorted array, right? Now we will divide this into 3 group. What we need to do? Divide into 3 group. Can we say that? So divide into 3 groups. How we are going to divide it? From the largest side, right? So we'll divide this group group of 3, we can say, from the largest side. What is the largest side? So we can say group 1 will take from the largest side. So the largest size of the largest 3 we have to take. What is the largest 3? We can say, think, there 2 3 and 3. What is the median? 3 is the median. We will say median is 3. We have got from here, right? Now group 2. What do we have? Group 2, the remaining one, right? Remaining 3 we can take. What are the remaining three is there? 1, 1, 2. Can we say that? What is the median? So from these three, what is the median? This one is the median. We will say median is 1 here. Now what you need to do? You need to do what? 3, 1, 1, 2, right? What do you need to do? Out of these three, we'll take the median, right? 1, 1, 2. Oh, sorry. Median here, it will median become 1 plus 1 by 2. It will be median is 2. What will become? 2. It will become 2. So it will become 2, right? Not the exact middle element. We can say the median we can take. So the middle element after being the sum, right? 3 plus 2 will become what? 3 plus 2 is 5. So sum of median, let's suppose how it will do. 3 plus 3 plus 2. Okay. So 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 2 is coming 4, right? So 4 is not here. So what will take here? 3 will take. But here 1 plus 1 by plus 2 is total 4 by 2 is coming 2. Okay. So we'll take this. I hope you understand, right? So become 3 plus 2. So you approximately you can take it like that. Okay. That is why if you see the example here, we have given here. In the first step, select the median 2, 4, 5. It is taking 2, 4, 5, but it is not there. 4 is not there, right? So we have 3 median. Median is 3. After removing this, it is 2 and 2, right? It becomes 2 and 2, correct? So we have to remove also, right? But don't focus on that. You try to find the median first and you will get the sum. So this is a little tricky, right? That you have to understand this first. Let's take the another example that we have in this video, right? This one. So if you take the group 1, can I write that group 1 directly? We can say we have 10, 10 and 10. We'll do the sorting. It's already sorted, so I'm not doing sorting. So if we'll 10, 10, 10 is there, what is the median will become? Median become what? 10. If we'll take the group, next group, so we'll take 1, 1, 10, right? So group 2 will become 1, 1 and 10, right? Can we say that like this? So median will become here is 10, right? So if you do the sum, 10 plus 10 is 20. I hope you understand, right? So do you understand what is median? Median here is a median of a set, or you can say group of 3 numbers is the medial value when the number are arranged in non-decreasing order, in the sorted order, you can say. If there are odd number in the set, right, so the middle element will be the median. But if there are even number in the set, means median become what? Average of the 2 middle numbers. We'll take the average of the 2 middle numbers. We can take, let's suppose this and this. We'll take the middle numbers, right? But this problem, we only deal with 3 elements. So no average is needed, right? Just we'll take, let's suppose we are taking any triplet sides. Let's suppose we'll take 2, 5 and 3. So this is a triplet. If you'll do the sorting, what you will get? You will get 2, 3 and 5. So here median will become what? 3, because this is sorted, right? And this is odd one. So middle number will become what? Is the odd. But when it become let's suppose we have 10, we have 10, we have 1, we have 7, we have. So what will become the median? So if you do the sorting, it will become what? 1, 7 and 10. So 7 will be the median, right? But you will say, why this group 1, 1, 10 have median 10, right? So median of 1, 1 and 10 is 1, not 10. This is why. Let's understand. Here it is coming 1. Sorry, it is coming what? 1. It should be 1. So we have to sort. We are doing what? The median rule is sort the number, take the middle element, right? So if we have this example, right, what we are doing? What we are doing? Sorting, right? So the middle element is 1. So the median should be this one, right? But if you see this one, you will get confused, right? Why? Because if we observe this example, right, example 2, what is the optimal grouping is here? Optimal grouping is this one, 10 and this 10. So median should come 10, and then it should be not 10, it should be 1, right? But if we'll do the sum, 10 plus 1 will become what? 11, right? 10 plus 1 is 11, which is wrong. But we want max is equal to 20, right? So what we can say, we don't like this group, right? We don't like this group. We need to rearrange it. So what we can say, let's arrange like 1, 10 and 10, and then 1, 10 and 10, and we rearrange. This will become a G1 and this we have to become G2. Group 1, group 2. Now you can say 10 and 10, you will take it. So 10 plus 10 is what? 20, right? That is correct answer. So you have to understand this, right? We have to maximize the median sum, right? So technically it is 1, but it is not getting 1. So you have to rearrange here so you can get the max 1. So that you have to focus in your mind. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's understand the code. So what you need to do first, this is your array.sort. You will do the sorting. Then once you get sorted and the array gets sorted, right, you will find these two values, right? Just start with I equal to n minus 2, right? It will go to I, means we are getting the triplets, right? We'll go till the triplets and we'll keep only 2 after the skipping the 2 value, right? We'll get the, will increase the what we call, sorry, will decrease the I, right? Because n minus 2 is the second largest value. N minus 1 means the last index. N minus 2 the second last index, means we are at the index, the second largest element. We start from the second largest element, right? From the final third, you can say. And when n by 3 means we are going till the third half, till the third, you can say, right? Final third. And then we'll do just minus 2, and each time you will get the triplets all the time. This is only to get the triplets, okay? And you will do the sum at nums at I, and you will get the sum, and finally you will return the sum. Okay, I hope you understand. If you any doubt, let me know in the comment section. So you understood or not, right? Very first, what we have done, we have to sort the array in ascending order. We have got the n, right? And we need to form what? N by 3 group of 3 numbers, right? Because we have to pick the what you call median of the largest group possible, right? So how does this greedy solution work? So we have to find the largest sum. So we need to pick 2 numbers, one is smaller, right? And the median and the second largest, we can say, right? 2 largest number plus 1 smaller, and that will become what? Your median, means the second largest will become the median, right? And that we have to pick it. Okay, so after sorting, median are located starting from where? The second last element, and so you have to start from the second last element, and we'll skip every alternate element, right? So can I say that if I'll take for example, I'll take a array, let's call it value is 1 1 2 2 and 3 3. Can we take that? The index become what? Index become what? 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. Can we say that? So we want the second largest in each triplet from the right side. Well, when we'll start from here, right? So what is the second, the first median will come at where? At here, correct? Because index at 4 having the second largest element, right? Can we say that? And which is what we have is this 3. So what will the next largest element, right? So after 4, the next will become at where? At index 2. So this is your the first median. What is this? First median. Can we say that? First median. And this is your second median, right? Like that, you have to think it, right? So from where you will start? The loop will start from where? N is what? N is 1 2 3 4 5 6 is 6. So 6 minus 2 is what? 6 minus 2 is 4, right? And that is why I'll start from n minus 2, right? When it will stop? When I is equal to greater than equal to n by 3, which is 6 by 3 is equal to what? 2. When index 2 is the last median position, till that we will go, right? And we'll skip it. Understand? When, and each time we'll do what? I minus 2. When i's value is 2, next what we are doing? We are doing I minus 2. So what is the current value of I? I will become 0. So we are done. I come back to the 0 and our loop is done. I hope you understand. Still, if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. I will help you there. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video.